Fear God and give him glory, for the hour of his judgment has come.
Last day events. Chapter 6. Lifestyle and activities of the remnant. Return to the original deity. God is trying to lead us back, step by step, to his original design, that man should subsist upon the natural products of the earth. Among those who are waiting for the coming of the Lord, meat eating will eventually be done away. Flesh will cease to form a part of their deity. We should ever keep this end in view and endeavor to work steadily toward it. Greater reforms should be seen among the people who claim to be looking for the soon appearing of Christ. Health reform is to do among our people a work which it has not yet done. There are those who ought to be awake to the danger of meat eating, who are still eating the flesh of animals, thus endangering the physical, mental, and spiritual health. Many who are now only half converted on the question of meat eating will go from God's people to walk no more with them. Time for fasting and prayer. Now and onward, till the close of time, the people of God should be more earnest, more wide awake, not trusting in their own wisdom, but in the wisdom of their leader. They should set aside days for fasting and prayer. Entire abstinence from food may not be required, but they should eat sparingly of the most simple food. The true fasting which should be recommended to all is abstinence from every stimulating kind of food and the proper use of wholesome, simple food, which God has provided in abundance. Men need to think less of what they shall eat and drink, of temporal food, and much more in regard to the food from heaven. That will give tone and vitality to the whole religious experience. The leaven of godliness has not entirely lost its power. At the time when the danger and depression of the church are greatest, the little company who are standing in the light will be sighing and crying for the abominations that are done in the land. But more especially will their prayers arise in behalf of the church, because its members are doing after the matter of the world.
Fear God and give him glory, for the hour of his judgment has come.